Hey y'all, it's finally done. I am curling her with this stick. I don't know what it's called. I had it for so long. And I'm using this bio silk. So I'm spreading it around so I can take the dryness out of her hair. I'm going to curl her up. This video is going to be about 15 minutes. So if you have the time, then check me out. So I'm using this spray. Aussie is not it's a light spray. So I'm straightening out the hair so I can curl it. So that's what we don't want to do is have, like, if you're looking at the hair and it's like each hair is going a different way, you want to spray it and straighten it, or you just want to straighten it, it's up to you. But I spray for firmness to hold the hair together. And the spray is so light that once you touch the hair, it won't feel sticky, but it'll be like a firm fill. So I just go down on one side. I think I did the other side already. I don't know. I chopped the video up so it wouldn't be too long. But as you see, I make sure the hair is straight and I curl down. I make sure the hair is straight and I curl down. One thing about the back of her hair, all the hair at the bottom is not going to get curled, but I attempt to curl it anyway. So as you see, everything is uniform. Yeah, I did curl the other side. So now I'm going to curl the middle. And all I'm doing again is making sure all the hair is straight and go down. All the hair is straight and go down. If I see something not straight, I'm going to comb. If not, I'm just going to keep curling down. Okay, and if I curl and it's not like I want it to look, I'm going to recurl that curl. And this is how you're going to curl your client's hair or your hair. And if you're trying to curl your own hair, all you need to do is get a mirror for the back and make sure you have your clips. And this is like the easiest way to curl hair, to lift the hair from the top and curl the sides and then curl the top. Because if you don't do it like that, then you might not have uniform curls at the bottom and the sides. But you can try it, but I suggest that you do it this way if you're not a trained professional. I can do it either way, but I know, like I said, I was trying to help someone who might not want to go to the hair salon. So every time you see me spraying, I'm trying to straighten up that hair and make sure that it's going to hold. And like I said, you see the bag is so short that it's not curling, but I attempted anyway, just to have that uniform look. So once I'm done curling everything, I do the top. And the magic of curling hair is to just make sure you're going straight. Everything needs to be uniform. Everything needs to meet. Okay, so at the top, that's all I'm doing is seeing how the hair is lying or laying, and then I curl. And to make sure that there's no gaps from now that you separated the top, now you want to make sure that the top is also meeting where you first started in the, at the bottom. So just make sure it's close together and you'll be fine. So I'm just, like I said, I'm going to curl around the edges as far as where I left off on the bottom curls. And I'm so sorry, guys, that I didn't have a comb to actually comb the hair to style it the way I wanted to. I haven't styled hair in so long that I didn't have a styling comb. But I do my best. You'll see. Again, I spray to make sure that it's going to stay. And I make sure that I'm curling close to the curls that are already there. That's the key to styling the hair. And I just go around and around. And when you get to the top, you'll see for yourself that the hair is going this way, that way, this way, that way. We're wanting to make sure that we're curling the hair the way the hair is laying. That way, everything will just stay, and your client or you will have a long-lasting style. Because if you don't curl the way that the hair is laying, then the hair is not going to last that person or you. And actually, when I'm curling hair, it's like I'm relaxing. So this is not like a job for me. It's just like, I don't know. I enjoy it. It takes my mind away from anything and everything. That was the joy of doing hair. It was just like I wasn't at work. So as you see, I'm finishing up as far as connecting the curls from the top and the bottom. So I started curling the top part, which is going to give me, time to see where the other curls are laying. I don't know why I keep saying lying. It's such an easy thing. And if it's not easy to you, just keep doing it. Because guess what? When you're a hairstylist or you're trying to do something, I mean, in life, period, practice makes perfect. And that saying is just not for fun, because it is so true. And if you want to be the best, the more you practice, the better you get. I haven't did this in a long time, but you see where it's going. And if you see how when I curl the top part of her hair, which we're looking at the front, I'm going to make sure I'm going to curl it to the side. But when I style it, I'm going to make sure it's just like it is now. Lift it up. You'll see. But I want to keep on doing what I'm doing to make a uniform design. So I'm pulling the hair out and curl. Out and curl. And as you see, the hair is not stiff. You see it just bounce back because it's soft. It's fluffy. And the spray that I'm using is not going to make it hard. If anybody came from the, what was that hairspray called? Pump It Up era. That would, now if I sprayed that, it would not have moved. I'm sure. So you have to be also careful of the things that you're using to style the hair. Now see how that piece is sticking up? I don't even see that. But as I'm curling and as everything is going to come together, that is going to get laid down some type of way. I don't know. But it's like when you have done hair, it's like you're a perfectionist and everything has to go together. Oh, so I did see it. I got right back to it. And as you see, I am curling the way that the hair is laying. Okay, guys? So I'm going to continue to curl until this style is done. And you see how the hair is also, it has a shine, because I made sure that I used something that made the hair stay together, which was the stick, and then I used BioSilk. And then even in the end, if you don't think your hair is shiny enough or your client's hair is shiny enough, you can also use that BioSilk at the end. But because I'm working on a mannequin, I didn't feel it was necessary. So I'm locking in those curls. The slower you move those irons, you locking in those curls, baby. I need more of the hair to lay. That's why I'm using the spray to bring it all together. And I curl. I suggest if you guys are trying to do hair or you want to become a stylist or even your own hair, buy a mannequin. They're cheap on Temu, about $10-15. So now I'm going to comb her out, which I don't have the styling comb like I said, but it's going to work out. So I do this to keep the hair together again. That's going to make it last, and then I'm brushing it softly to bring it all together. It don't look like it's soft, but yeah, it's soft. I'm just a little heavy-handed. I mean, if you look at it, it's coming together, right? I should have not even used the comb because I think it's fine just like this. Once you brush that hair together, hey, look at that. Good to go, baby. Good to go. So, you get the gist of it, guys. This was my profession for years. So, I try to keep up with it. Just in case. Just in case. You see that? And if I had a styling comb, ooh, baby, that thing would have been really nice. So, that spray, you see how I'm combing a little harder because it's like a little hole, but it's not too much. Bring everything together with the spray. The spray is your friend. And if this wasn't a mannequin head, you probably could have laid a little on the client's face. But because the hair is not, I don't know, it's something with a real person that the heat from the body would have helped lay the hair on the face. But with mannequins, it's not going to look right. So that's why also I brought it back. Like I said, that spray is your friend. Lay that hair down without even a pasty feel. And now I'm going to do her front. This spray is your friend. It helps you style. Employees have noticed smoke pouring out from 417 out into the corridor. Firemen went into a fourth floor motel room here. I tried to leave those bump beads out the bag, but I was trying to give them away, but nobody wanted them, so now I gotta throw them away. Yeah, so bam, she's done. Just lift that hair up and it's time to go, baby. And I thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Like the video. Leave a comment what you want to see next. Because I do have to color some things. I have a wig I have to color. I can do another cut, a style, color. Yeah, I do it all. So let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Let's go. And you guys finish enjoying your holiday. Enjoy your weekend. And I love you. Thanks for watching. She's done. Had to cut a little hair off the side. And I'm finished. That Aussie. That's some nice spray. Get you some. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'm going to go now. Bye-bye. You see her. It's just the stylist in me. I just can't go. But I'm going now. Bye-bye. Thanks again.